Okay, today I will give you some status update on I can say is the elimination round. The last I do the battle is the UX3 versus UX04. So this one, the winner is UX3. The score is 5-3 with 1 draw. So the UX3 will move on the semi-final. So this is my first Beyblade X tournament. So just to have some recap, BX1 versus BX2. The BX2 win by 6-1. And then BX3 versus BX4. 4-3. 4 is the BX3. So this is very close. Then for UX1 versus UX02 is 1-6. One-sided with 1 draw. So then the last one is UX3 versus UX4. Then 5-3 with 1 draw. So these 4 will meet in, I can say, in the semi-finals. Okay.